Good morning. So I just did yoga, and I usually do one of these sessions from her. Don't remember her name. I'll put it somewhere. But she has multiple sessions, so I do a full session, usually around 30 minutes. Sometimes she has 45-minute ones. But today, a lot of abs. So anyway, so today I'm gonna do typical Saturday morning things. Clean. Yay. Not really, but yeah, that's the goal. I decided to use the shelf as my TBR shelf, books I need to read in the future. So I spoke about this one already on my wrap up, that I need to, get a certain amount of pages in. I did start this, didn't quite finish. It's a good book. I don't know why I'm stalling on it. And this one too. But this one I'm probably going to finish this month. And then these are the other ones that I hauled recently. And this one I've had for about a year. I need to finish. And this is one of the ones that Run Right was talking about that she read. But I have this on my TBR for a while now. I still haven't read it. And then there's these two. It's a portrait book here. And book that I got at Brooklyn Book Festival, and this one I really need to finish too, for that series. And then down here, Court of Wings and Ruin. I really love the first ones. I don't know why I haven't read any of these yet, but I think called The Chattering that people have been talking about, I haven't picked it up. Kevin Hart, still haven't picked it up. Charlemagne, nope. And My Soul to Keep I got at another book festival, I can't remember. Nicholas Spark, nope. Haven't read any of his book in about 2 years, and I need to. Professed, I also got from another book festival. And down here is all my graphic novel and comics. So of course, the first one from the Brooklyn Festival. And then I have Paper Girls and the last Black Panther, which I definitely gonna read in January. From before the movie come out, just get into the mood of the Black Panther mood. And that's it. But I figure because this is where my computer is where I usually film, so I figure if I put it there and I see it, I will most likely pick it up. So right now I'm trying to catch up on and not behind on all these Vlogmas. Looking at Iffy. I really like her videos, her vlog. She hasn't vlogged in a while, so I'm so happy that she's doing Vlogmas. And that is it for now. And yep.